A gun! Give me the freaking gun! What the heck? I can't pick it up. Wait, what's happening?
Time to go.
Hello? I'm scared.
Wait, what? What's going on? Okay, you know what? Forget about the tango mangles. We need to find a place to hide. Let's try the mysterious house over there. Let's try the house. Let me see. I don't know what to put. Okay, you know what? Forget it. Let's just go in. What's happening out there? It seems like the game is getting hacked. What? 50-second ending? What are you even talking about? We need to find out what's going on. Let's check out this place. Wow. I've never seen this part of the map before. Wait, what's this? This somehow looks familiar, but I can't quite grasp why. Player! Did you see that figure before we got here? It seemed strange, but I felt like I had a strong connection with it. But anyways, where even are we? But most importantly, what the heck is that thing? What's going on in here? Wait, what? So you've been here before? We need to find out what's going on. Say, since you've already been here, can you lead us the way out? I'll just follow you. Apologies for the long unskippable dialogues, by the way. At least I don't walk as slow as Groovy. Sweet. The exit. Oh, it's a lie? What do you mean you can't move? Don't be slow, wait, me too. Little? Who are you? Why are you trying to hack the game? What the? Player? Is that true? Huh? Wait, what? No, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Hey, you might want to reconsider. He's lying. He won't let you go. Don't do it. Don't kill me. Please. Hey, I'm your friend, remember? Whoa! Player! That was amazing! I did not expect you to do that! Hey. Let's go save our friends in the cage. We can't forget our friends! Oh look! There's a bridge to Groovy now! Let's go save him! Go ahead and click the button. I'll
Epic.
go save the rest.
Thank you for saving me. That cage really rots. But I'm glad we are all safe. That thing that caught us was scary.
Thanks,
Thinking
NCP.
username
No
was
problem.
Well, it should be gone for real now. Hopefully. Say, let's go check on our friends.
Good. We are all here. Wait, where is Aviella? Wow, that was
Yeah.
beautiful. Anyways, we are here, and it's all thanks to you. Thanks for saving us, player. We all wouldn't be here without you. Well, what do you guys say we head home?
Let's go. Sure thing.
Yep.
Sweet. I'll go teleport us out of here using this translocator.
Wait, so you're telling me you could have just teleported us out of here the whole time? That is very cool.
Well, obviously we don't want to anger that thing, or else we will all get deleted.
Oh, that makes sense. Well then, let's go!
Okay. Here we go!